Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the latest enhancement to our employee scheduling feature. Okay, so this is what you're seeing usually on employee schedules. You can make schedules, obviously, all that kind of stuff is known to you. We have this little button called Budget here, as well as in the employee section in your employee list. If you click on anyone's name, for example, there would be a bar here or a screen here for their hourly rate field. This is now blanked out. Okay, this is not gonna, anyone that logs into your that has access to your back office panel can see the schedule, can build a schedule, but they won't see the employee rates as well as the budgets. But when they mouse over people's names, you can see this green box means this person has been paid, they've been paid, this one has not been paid, not paid, not paid, and not paid, and paid. So we can see that just by mousing over these boxes here. But the real magic now is what happens when you have, this is now password protected, by the way. So what we're doing is we password protected the budgeting and the wage costs and all that kind of stuff. And we'll take a look at what it looks like with the password activated. Okay, so now I'm into the same schedule with different user ID, and you can see the exact same schedule. I've logged in, but now when I click on budget, you can see the budget pops up, and I can see the wage cost for the month, for the week. Okay, and it'll also reflect. And sorry about that. It'll also reflect the percentage of your sales if you have sales quotas here as well. But getting back into that, so now with the password protected login that I've got, if I go to the employee list and I click on anyone's name, I will be able to see their hourly rate. They're right there. Okay. So what we've done is we've added a way for you to password protect your budgets and your employee pay rates, because you may have managers working in the store that you don't mind them making schedules for you, but you don't want them to know how much everyone's being paid. So all this is going to show now is how many hours everybody has, and also over here, so you can just basically say, did I pay these guys? If you want to pay somebody, you as a business owner, you're using the scheduler, just click on the little $ icon there, and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to mark this as paid? So once I've marked this as paid, now that person has been paid, and I know that that $ disappears. Okay, so you can see these people have been paid, these ones have not. And it's just a way for you to keep track of everything. Obviously when you're running a business, payroll, all that kind of stuff. It's just another easy way for you to track an enhanced employee scheduling feature as well. Again, to recap, this is now password protected. Okay, so you've got your budgets that are now password protected. All of your staff, you can see the numbers here. This is what you owe each person for the week. Okay, all of this is also protected, so no one can see this unless they've logged in with the right credentials. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you set that up now in the back office as well. So here we are in your app list here. So essentially where you're going to set this up is when you're adding a new app. Okay, you can even go, now it's live on your older apps, just hit the edit button, but when you hit the add new button here, this is the field that pops up, the screen that pops up, and here are the passwords. So this is the regular password to access, for everyone to access, whatever you put in here. Will give access to everyone, and then they will not have access to the budgeting feature that we just looked at, the employee that we just looked at. This one here, if you log in with this password, this one will allow you to have access to it. So you can create two passwords now for the system, and whoever logs in with whatever password, the system will know and give them access accordingly. Again, you can use this in your existing apps. As of today, you do not need to republish the app or anything like that. All you need to do is come in here and hit the edit button and assign a show the this is the password for the existing location. Right, there's two passwords here, so there's 1 and 2, and all you need to do is add a password. You can just change the password right here by clicking that link there. So that's it in a nutshell. Really excited about this feature. It's a great tool, again, to make things more efficient for a small business owner, giving them the ability to see and control their payables, understand who's been paid, who's been not. And if you have any feedback or input, please let us know. Thanks for watching.